Want to share a file with someone using a simple link instead of sending it directly to their device? In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend's Share via Link feature. Start by opening LocalSend and clicking Send. Next, choose what you want to share. You can select a file, a folder, text, or any of the other available options. Before sending it, click the small gear icon, which opens the Send mode settings. By default, single recipient is selected. Change this to Share via Link. LocalSend will now generate a unique link for your file. Simply copy the link and send it to the person you want to share the file with using email, a messaging app, or any other method you prefer. When they open the link in their web browser, they'll see a message saying that LocalSend is waiting for a response. Back on your computer, LocalSend will show you the incoming request. Click Accept to allow the download. The recipient can then download the shared file by clicking on it in their browser. You'll also notice a few additional options before creating the link. You can enable automatically accept requests so you don't have to approve the download manually. Turn on encryption to help protect the transfer or enable Require PIN to add an extra layer of security before the file can be downloaded. Sharing files with a link is a convenient option when the other person doesn't have the LocalSend app installed but can access a web browser. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple LocalSend tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.